So now what I want to look at from the lateral view of the skull are some bone markings that you can see that are part of the temporal bone. So this guy here. Now the temporal bone has the opening that goes into your ear canal. So we call this opening the external acoustic meatus. And meatus is just a fancy way to say it's a tunnel through the bone. So this is going into the ear. In addition, you can also see some processes, things that stick off the skull. One being this big, more laterally faced process called the mastoid process. The way I remember this one is I think mastoid mountain. It kind of looks like a mountain. And the other one you can see just dipping down is one that's really sharp and pointy called the styloid process. And both of these we can see from the inferior view, and they are both muscle attachment sites that are really important, and we'll come back to them whenever we start looking at muscles, especially those that move the lower jaw. The other thing you can see on the temporal bone from this perspective is a process that sticks out and reaches towards the zygomatic bone. So we call this the zygomatic process of the temporal bone.